Last night, when I looked out of my window, to my surprise, I found the farm surrounding our house well lit in spite of not having electricity for almost a week. The leaves had this beautiful glow on them and they looked surreal, straight out of some storybook. When I looked up at the night sky, the moon was huge and bright. It looked as if it was drawn closer somehow, and it was a very pretty sight. No wonder they are part of so many poems, folklores, and even important decisions are made based on them. For instance, I am in the process of constructing a small wooden cabin in my farm, and for the wood, I had to cut down a tree. During my interaction with a traditional house builder who's building the cabin for us, I learned that the tree has to be cut when the moon is in the growth phase and not when it's waning.
Apparently the wood lasts longer and the termites don't attack much, and also the house built with such a wood lasts longer and it's peaceful and it's more prosperous. The moment I heard this, I got reminded of a strikingly similar conversation that I had with a researcher down south many years ago.
The research scholar was working on studies concerning Chutney tribals of Western Ghats, one among the last hunter-gathering tribes of India. The Chutney people are adept hunter-gatherers, surviving exclusively on food that they can gather from the forest. They too cut the tree to build house only during the growth phase of the moon, and before doing so, ask for the forgiveness of the tree spirit, not to torment them for cutting it down. The similarities in belief between tribes separated by thousands of kilometers, one agrarian and the other hunter-gatherer, one Mongoloid and the other Dravidian, with no interaction whatsoever, yet so similar, it baffles me. Well, coming back to the recipe, I am going to show you how to cook a simple fish dish, or rather a chutney, which I have had many a times at my favorite restaurant known as Machuleka in a small town in Boko in Assam. I love this chutney, but I am giving a bit of twist to it. So to make this dish, you need to catch some fish first. My neighbor wanted to catch some snakehead fish from our fishing pond for himself, and this is how it works here. If you catch a fish from someone else's pond, then you give half your catch to the owner and keep the other half for yourself.
Hay ni na baita mangmat na. So many.
So I got some of the fish that he caught. These fish are considered very tasty, and the streams, rivers and ponds are full of them. On any given day, you'd see little kids and even elders fishing for the fish in the streams. These are probably the last of the wild food that is available. To quickly kill them for processing, just pour hot water on them. The death is almost instant. Once the fish are dead, scale the fish and get rid of the fins and gut them. They are very slippery, but once you scale them, they are easier to handle. Give them a good wash and marinate the fish in turmeric and salt. You can even add some lemon juice, but it's totally optional. After about 20 minutes of marination, deep fry the fish till they are crisp. Meanwhile, I'm going to roast a ghost chili. You can also use regular chili if it's too much for you to handle. Crush the crisp fish, chopped onion, centella and the ghost chili along with some salt. Crush till everything is finely mixed. If you want, you can drizzle a bit of raw mustard oil, adjust the seasoning, and there you go, a delicious fish chutney is ready. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you guys with a video of my silly ducks showing their jiggly bums. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week with more amazing videos from the Northeast. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also hit the notification icon, because you get to know when I'm posting my next video. And I'll see you next week. Did I already say that? Bye. Take care.